Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to a new video on our channel Mayverified. So this week is going to be, if I say so myself, a fun little video. It's my boyfriend shops my outfits challenge kind of. I saw this going around on TikTok so I thought it would be really fun. I have some clips of Tim, my boyfriend, picking out the outfits and his train of thoughts. Don't mind his very serious face. He was just doing his best, which is really cute. So yeah, let's go into those clips and see what his train of thoughts were when choosing all the items.
So apparently I have to shop some outfits together for my girlfriend. She gave me her sizes and just basically said, do whatever you want. So yeah, I've done up some interesting outfits from Pinterest and hopefully find something I can put together just like that. Let's see what we can get. So the first thing I had in mind was this sweater combined with these jeans. I wanted them a little lighter, but I couldn't find the right color blue, so I thought let's just roll with this one. Yeah, that's it for the first outfit. Maybe I could use these pants for another outfit. Alright, so in the meanwhile, while I was searching for some outfits, I found some different combinations, but in the end there was one thing missing and I couldn't find it. So I switched from websites or web shops, and I think I have the, in my opinion, best combination so far. So yeah, let me show you what I got. Alright, the first item that I found was this blouse. I'm also a big fan of the stripes, and I know that Amy also had some stripes before, so I think that's a nice combination together with these pants. I also have them in the short version, but due to the weathers, I don't think it's time for the shorts yet. So why not start with the long jeans? After that we got a shirt of the Rolling Stones. She doesn't really listen to the Rolling Stones, but she got some benties and I think it's really cool. I like the white and the red. In my opinion, white is a little more, it gives a little more summer feeling than a color like black, and with the benties it's most likely or white or black, so in this case let's go for white. And that together with the shorts, I chose a little, you don't really see it, but it's a little brighter color, a little lighter than normal. Why? I think it gives a more summer feeling, and just, yeah, I said before that it's not ready for the shorts yet, but fuck it. So the only thing left for me to search is some accessories like belts or maybe a bag. Yeah, I haven't really thought about that, but finding the right outfits was in my opinion, hardest thing to do. Let's hope it was.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. My baby is useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mind. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Hey, oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty don't play that game, Shawty don't play that game. I won't keep you safe, time that I relocate. Oh, don't play that game, Shawty don't play that game. I won't keep you safe.
You guys, I'm filming that video and these H&M shorts. What the fuck?
Time that I relocate, I don't play that game. Shawty don't